Here are the top 5 espresso machines in 2024. 1. Breville Barista Express. Recommended as the best overall with versatile automatic manual operation, a conical burr grinder, and a thermocoil heating system. 2. DeLonghi Stilosa. A budget-friendly option with manual operation, a 15-bar pump, and a stylish design. 3. Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Ideal for beginners with semi-automatic controls, a stainless steel build, and enhancements for latte art. 4. Diletta Mio. A high-end choice offering complete control over the brewing process with advanced features and an elegant design. 5. Nescafe Dolce Gusto Genio 2. Perfect for small spaces, a compact capsule machine with a 15-bar high-pressure system and 15 beverage options. Consider capsule availability.